In this video, you will learn how to use My-Match color swatches during patient consultations. At Össur, it is our goal to provide your patient with the best color match possible. Please follow all directions closely to help us achieve our goal. Have your patient remove any jewelry, watches, and pull up long sleeves. Photos and My-Match swatch selection must take place prior to impression taking. If impressions are taken first, you must wait 30 minutes for an accurate skin tone match. While setting up the materials, have your patient seated with their hands resting on a table as shown. This will allow the patient's color to settle to an average tone before selecting My-Match color swatches. Please note that movement, such as raising and lowering their hands, can affect color. Review color swatches for the required selections as requested on the My-Match card. Fill out the card completely for all device types. Please note you may use the same swatch for more than one selection. You also may not find an exact match. Choose the swatch that best represents the indicated area and put a note in the comment section for any needed direction. Examples of direction could be, Patient Smith is a little lighter than this color swatch, or Patient Smith is a little darker than this color swatch. If several color selections seem close, lay these on the patient's limb and blur your vision. The color swatch that blends in most will be your dominant value. After My-Match are selected and the card is completely filled out, place the color swatches on the gray background or color panel. If the patient's tone is light, line the swatches up on the darker side of the panel. If the patient's tone is dark, line the swatches up on the lighter side of the panel. Swatches must be in all of your images. Proceed to take all the requested photos for your device type. You will be taking photos of the dorsum, of the sound, and affected limb. The palm of both the sound and affected limb, and a thumb shot of the sound limb. When taking the thumb shot, please direct the patient to position their hand as if they are grabbing a water bottle, so that the thumb is in clear view. Common do's and don'ts when taking these photographs are as follows. Poor thumb view images are, thumb too low, thumb pressed down onto the gray background, fist in a closed position, or hand inside view but thumb tucked under. Ensure the shadow of the camera is not on the patient. Do not have direct sunlight on the patient. For best results, have ambient lighting and clear focus. Direct the patient to not press into the table, as shown. When doing so, the skin may blench and appear lighter and redder in certain areas, and this will result in an inaccurate color match. On the palm side, direct the patient to have the fingers open and not curved. For all shots, please ensure that the patient is in proper frame and not too low or too high on the color panel. Other reasons for image rejection would be fingers curled for the nail close-up image, only selecting one My-Match color swatch, selecting one My-Match for the dorsum and one My-Match for the palm, placing the My-Match swatches upside down, and placing the My-Match swatches all on the patient's limb. After completing the photographs, please review the photos with the patient to ensure their coloring is well captured. Retake photos as needed. Indicate in the comment section which photos provide the best color match to the patient. Once you are finished, submit your images as directed and await Össur approval. Once Össur confirms the photos are approved for production, return the My Match color swatches and card to their packaging. Please send a mobile image or scan of the My Match card to Össur Customer Care to ensure this item is not lost in transit. Proceed to the quick reference card for impression taking.